Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm going to show you guys how to make my peach matcha latte. Okay, so you're going to need matcha powder, peach bitters, I get mine from Amazon, honey or your sweetener of choice, and then milk. I use oat milk, you can use whatever milk you prefer. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with about half a teaspoon of your matcha powder. And then you're going to add about 2 ounces of hot water. Just enough so you can mix it well. Then we're going to struggle to put that on. And then I use a frother to mix mine. I got mine from IKEA for like $2 to $3, but you can get it from Amazon for a little more. Then you're going to add your sweetener, as little or as much as you like. And the secret ingredient, your peach bitters. So I do about 5 shakes, but if you want it really peachy, I recommend like 7 to 10. The more peach, the better. You're gonna froth that, kind of making like a matcha concentrate. Then we're gonna add our hot oat milk. And that's gonna give it such a pretty light green color. And then I like to go ahead and froth it again because I like that frothy top on my lattes. And there you have the peach matcha latte. It's great for all the seasons, spring, summer, fall, winter. I'm going to show you here how I have it in the summer. Just pour it in a cup of ice, and there you have it. And sometimes I add a dash of cinnamon. It gives it a really good flavor, so you should try that as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try it out. I'll have the recipe in the description box. Bye!